everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you this super easy silvery smoky eye look, and it's so easy because I will be only using one eyeshadow product for this look. So we're gonna get started. I applied some eyeshadow guards. If you don't have them at home, you can also use some regular sticky tape that you use to like pack a present for someone, or you don't use anything at all. It's optional, you don't have to do it. So after applying the eyeshadow guard, I went in with the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I'm going to use this to prime the eyelids. So I'm just going to apply it all over the eyelid, and this is going to remove the redness, make my eyeshadow more long lasting, and just leave me with a nice clean canvas for all the eyeshadows that I'm going to use. So just applying this all over the eyelid, making sure that it's everywhere, and then I set it with a little bit of powder just to make sure that everything is nicely locked in place. So like I said, I will be only using one product, and it's this one from Colourpop. It's the Jelly Much eyeshadow in this super beautiful kind of like silvery smoky shade. I absolutely love the Jelly Much eyeshadows from Colourpop. They have a ton of different colors to choose from. I have created a few looks with them already, but it's a really long time ago, and that's when they didn't have that much colors yet. But they in the months following the years, they came out with a lot more shades. So if you guys want me to do more videos using those, let me know, because I think they're actually one of my favorite eyeshadow products out there, because they're so easy to use, but it will give you like the most beautiful effect on your eyes, as if you put like a ton of effort, use different shades, different products of eyeshadow, but you only use one product. So this is so nice for if you are in a hurry, but you still want to create like a bomb ass look without too much effort. I think it's also beginner friendly. You just first apply it over the eyelid, and then you're gonna blend out the edges to make it more softer, and that's it. I will go in with a little bit more of the eyeshadow because I feel like because of the blending, it will kind of like get rid of the intensity of how shimmery this eye look can be. Well, not really shimmery, but you know, that kind of like glossy, shiny effect that you can see right now when I apply more of it. So I did want it to blend out the eye look as much as possible, but also I wanted to remain like that shiny effect in the center. So that's why after blending, I went in with a little bit more of the product like right in the center, just to kind of make that shininess come back. Now also I have some good news, because I'm working on doing some makeup classes online. So I will be doing like a Zoom class where I will be in my studio as if I'm in my makeup tutorial, as you can see right now. But I will be like full screen with my face. But you will see me in my studio, and live during this class I will show you a eye look. So you guys can follow along with me, ask me questions. So I'm so excited. Also, I will be offering 101 classes. So if you want to learn from me but like get full attention, I will be offering that as well. So once this is gonna start, I will let you guys know, of course, on my channel, because that's where most people are like watching my videos. But if this is something you're interested in, let me know, because I don't even know if people are interested. So I'm really curious to know, like, would you like follow a class from me? Of course, it will be like a paid class, but maybe I can also do a giveaway, so some of you can like win to follow my class for free. I think that will be a really cool giveaway, actually. But obviously, going live, you will see like everything like in real time. I will explain everything as I go, no skipping like in videos. Of course, you edit some pieces out. So it will be like really nice for those who want to become better at eye makeup videos. Maybe you're following my videos, but you're like, I'm still not really like getting in the way I want it to be. Then the makeup class will come in really handy. And also I will be offering like some extra services. If you do follow one of my classes, you will get like my number. You can chat with me. You can ask me some questions after it. So it's not going to be only the class, you will also get some extra services from me. But yeah, let me know if this is something you guys will be interested in. I'm really excited. I'm just setting up this plan, but it will be very soon. But I will keep you guys updated. So in the meanwhile that I'm talking, I finished almost this eye look. So I used that same shimmery shade also underneath the lash line. I used a black pencil for in the waterline, and now I'm using a little bit of gel eyeliner right above the lash line. Nothing too crazy, just a very thin line, and then after this I'm gonna blend it out a little bit just to kind of give that smudginess effect. I just felt like because I used black underneath the lower lash line, I felt like I needed some darkness on the upper lash line as well. So I just decided to go in with this very tiny line. And then like I said, I'm going to smudge it out a little bit, which will make it look more softer. So nothing too precise. Also, it's optional if you don't have a lot of time for this look. You don't have to do this, but I am going in with false lashes. And whenever I do think it looks more beautiful to have eyeliner underneath your lash band, because sometimes when you apply lashes you can see the lash band and it just looks, I mean, you can see they're not my real lashes, but I feel like it just makes it more, yeah, I don't want to say natural because it's not natural, but you know, I just don't want you to see the lash band, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to curl my lashes because it's time for mascara. I will be using the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, which is still one of my favorites. I actually have a lot of mascaras that I'm currently liking, but I still really like this one, which has been my favorite for years and years. Then I went in with the iconic Demi Lashes from House of Lashes. Such a beautiful lash style. Not too dramatic, not too natural. I think they're perfect for this eye look. Sometimes, you know, with lashes, when they're too dramatic, it covers or it hides almost the whole like eyelid, and of course we still want the attention to go to the eyeshadow as well. So these are just beautiful in balance. They go really well with the look, nothing too crazy. And yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know if you want to see more videos where I use the Jelly Much eyeshadows from Colourpop. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my channel, which I really appreciate, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!